Hi, good evening friends. This is my fifth lecture in game theory, and in this lecture we are going to see in a graphical method which is having 2 into n form or n into 2 form within a matrix. Basically, in a graphical method we are going to convert in a 2 into n matrix or n into 2 matrix into 2 into 2 matrix, and further we are going to solve it by analytical method as we solved it in the previous lecture. So let's solve in one problem. So here the problem is given, solve in a following payoff matrix. Okay, so in every game theory problem, first you have to follow the pure strategy problem. First you have to follow the pure strategy rule. So first let's solve it. Write in a matrix as it is. Solution. How I'm going to solve this problem, you follow that procedure and you can easily get in a good marks. So let's write in a matrix as it is. B1, B2, B3, A1 and A2, 1, 8, 3, 5, 11 and 2. Find in a row minimum. In this row you are having minimum value 1. In this row you are having minimum value 2. So maximum out of this is 2. And you have to circle also. Sorry. Maximum value is this one. Max value. Find in a maximum column value. Max column value. In this column you are having maximum value as 8. Rectangle it. In this column you are having maximum value 5. Rectangle it. In this column you are having maximum value 11. Rectangle it or square it. Okay, now you have, since it is a maximum column, so you have to find in a minimum value. So minimum value is your 5. Minimum value. And since we are denoting it by V bar and here V as a under bar, and since these two value is not equal, so there is no saddle point. There is no saddle point. So we will solve it by graphical method. So applying graphical method. Applying graphical method. Okay. Since it is in a 2 into n form. Since it is 2 into n form. Okay. Draw two line. One line here and one line adjacent to it. It can be of any of the length. Length doesn't matter here, but reference point of both the line should be same. Okay, so mention it. Write it here 0, here also 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This you have to solve in a graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, this denotes your A1 and this denotes your A2. Okay, now let's start. A1 1. Okay, 1, and we have to connect to A2 with 8 value. So A1 1, A2 is 8. Okay, in second column A1 is 3. A1 line is here. A1 as a 3. Okay, and A2 as a 5. A2 as a 5. Join it. 2 as a 5. Okay, and the third column A1 as a 1. It is a 1. Okay, sorry, 11 it is. A1 as a 11. Okay, you suppose 11 is your here. Okay, A1 is 11 and A2 is 2. A2 is 2. So join it. So you get 2 here. Okay, So you're going to get in a peak value since it is in a 2 into n form. Okay, 2 into n form. So you have to cover in a region below 1. Okay, so you have to cover the below 1. So this is your region. Okay, and the peak value is this one. This is your peak value. Okay, so draw one horizontal line. Here you will get sum of the value. Okay, this is the cross checking answer, but this is not an actual answer. Okay, you have to this is just in a cross check. This is not actual answer. So with the help of this graphical method, we are going to reduce this given matrix 2 into 3 form into 2 into 2 form. How we will convert that? Since we got the peak value by the intersection of the two line. Okay, we got the peak value with the intersection of these two line. Now we will make one of the matrix which is having these two line values. So let's see how to make that. Okay. Before going to that, first write which are all those lines. Sorry, leave that. Right here. Okay. Draw the matrix of the 2 into 2 form. Okay. Now see here. It is in a 2 into n form. Okay, where 2 is fixed. 2 is in a constant which is fixed, and it denotes in a row value. It denotes the row value, and in a row value you are having as a a1 and a2. So write the row value as a a1 and a2. But if you will see, the column is not a fixed. This denotes your column which is a not a fixed. Okay, so you don't know that is our b1, b2 or b3, so you have to leave it as it is. So now move to the graph. Check the question. Here it is. First you check the which first column. Okay, 1 and 8. Okay, it is a 1 and 8. Is that this line is the intersection point at the peak point, at the peak value? Is that intersection? It is intersecting? No, it is not intersecting at the peak point. So you have to leave this line. So you have to cancel this line. Okay, so b1 will not come here. Okay, now come to next column. Next column you are having as a 3 and 5. Now match here in the graph. 3 and 5. Is that this point lies at the is that this point is an intersection point at the peak value? Yes, it is. So b2 will come here. So b2 will come here, and we'll having in a column value 3 and 5. I hope you are getting this. Now come to the third line, third column. Third column you are having value 11 and 2. 11 and 2. Now check that, is this line is an intersection point, at the peak value? Yes, it is an intersection point at the peak value, and this is your b3 column. Okay, so right here is a b3, and then a value is 11 and 2. 11 and 2. This you got the matrix, and with the help of this you have to solve it by an analytical method. Give it as a equation number 1. Okay, now before going to solve by analytical method, first write the optimum strategy of the player A and player B. Okay, as we are doing in the previous lecture we did. So optimum strategy for player A. For player A, optimum strategy is your A1 and only A2. So this is your P1 and P2 is the optimum strategy. Okay, and also P1 plus P2 must be equal to 1. Okay, next, optimum strategy for B. Here you have B1, B2 and B3. These you have to write from the question. Okay, so here Q1 denoted by Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, here also same thing, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 equal to 1. Okay, now from the reduced matrix, Q1 is your 0 here. Okay, for B1 there is no any optimum strategy. For B1 there is no any optimum strategy, therefore Q1 equal to your 0. Therefore Q2 plus Q3 equal to your 1. Okay, now solving it by analytical method. So by analytical method. Okay, you know that P1 value is given by, before doing this, write in this format: A, B, C and D. So P1 is given by D minus C. Okay, D minus C divided by A plus D minus B plus C. Okay, so D minus C, D value is your 2, 2 minus 5 divided by A plus D, A plus D, A plus D. So 3 plus 2 minus B plus C, B plus C, 11 plus 5. So you will get minus 3 divided by 3 to 5 minus 11, 5, 16. So 3 by 11. So P1 you got, P1 is your 3 by 11 and therefore P2 is your 1 minus P1 equal to 1 minus 3 by 11 is your 8 by 11. So P2 is your 8 by 11. You got P2. Now we'll find the optimum strategy for player B. Okay, for player B, I think Q2 we are having now. Since Q1 is your 0, so Q2 will be there. So Q2 is your D minus B divided by A plus D minus B plus C. So A value is your, so D minus B, D minus B, D minus B. So 2 minus 11 divided by A plus D. Okay, A plus D, so 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 minus B plus C, B plus C. So 11 plus 5. So this is your minus 9 divided by 3 to 5 minus 11, 5, 16. So this is your 9 by 11. So therefore Q3 is your, since we are having Q2 plus Q3 equal to 1, so therefore Q3 is your 1 minus Q2. Therefore 1 minus 9 by 11 is your 2 by 11. Q3 is your 2 by 11. Therefore now value of the game. Okay, value of game. Value of the game is given by AD minus BC divided by A plus D minus B plus C. So you are having AD value 3 into 2 minus B into C 11 into 5 divided by A plus D 3 plus 2 minus B plus C. So B plus C 11 plus 5 so 3 to just 6 minus 11 5 55 divided by 5 minus 16. So you're going to get minus 49 divided by minus 11. So value of the game is 49 by 11. So value of the game 49 by 11. Write the solution in one of the format. So first solution right here. Optimum strategy for player A. Player is your P1 and P2. Okay, equal to P1 how much? So P1 you got equal to 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. Okay, second for player B is what? Q1 Q2 Q3. Okay, equal to, since Q1 is your 0 already here, so Q1 0. Now Q2 value, okay, Q2 is your 9 by 11 Q3 is your 2 by 11 Third point, value of game. Value of the game is 49 by 11. Write it in a fraction form only, okay, don't put it in decimal. So that's all today. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.